Nothing's free, everything has a price, but not all prices appear on label. Everything has a price, and the key to a lot of things with money is just figuring out what that price is and being willing to pay it. The problem is that the price of a lot of things is not obvious until you've experienced them firsthand, when the bill is overdue. Like everything else worthwhile, successful investing demands a price. But its currency is not dollars and cents. It's volatility, fear, doubt, uncertainty, and regret. All of which are easy to overlook until you're dealing with them in real time. Responding to critics who said his actions were wrong and what he should have done was obvious, Imhoff told his successor, "Every job looks easy when you're not the one doing it. Every job looks easy when you're not the one doing it. Because the challenges faced by someone in the arena are often invisible to those in the crowd." It is true that nothing in life is truly free, and there is often a cost or trade-off associated with everything. Even if something appears to be free, there may be hidden costs or other considerations that need to be taken into account. For example, a free service may come with hidden fees or require users to give up their personal data. It's important to carefully evaluate any offer or opportunity to understand the true cost and to determine whether it is truly worth it. While it is true that there are costs associated with investing and planning for your future, it's also important to remember that the potential rewards can far outweigh the costs. In terms of investing, there may be costs associated with buying and selling stocks or other investments, as well as management fees for certain types of accounts. However, over the long term, a well-diversified and well-managed portfolio has the potential to provide significant returns. Similarly, when it comes to planning for your future, there may be costs associated with hiring a financial advisor or creating a detailed financial plan. However, the benefits of having a clear financial plan in place, including increased peace of mind and the ability to achieve your financial goals, can be well worth the cost. It is also important to note that there are many free resources available to help individuals with their investment and financial planning. Online platforms and educational content can help individuals to gain knowledge, understanding, and make informed decisions to help them with their financial future. Ultimately, it's important to weigh the costs and potential benefits of any investment or financial decision, and to consider both the short-term and long-term implications. Why do so many people try so hard to avoid paying the price of good investment returns? They pay for cars, houses, food, and vacations. There are a number of reasons why people may avoid paying the price of good investment returns. Some of the most common reasons include fear of losing money. Investing can be risky, and many people are afraid of losing their money. This fear can be particularly strong when it comes to investing in the stock market, where prices can fluctuate greatly in a short period of time. Lack of knowledge. Investing can seem complex and overwhelming, especially for those who don't have a lot of experience or understanding of the markets. This lack of knowledge can make it difficult for people to feel confident in their investment decisions. Short-term thinking. Many people focus on short-term gains rather than long-term returns. This can lead them to avoid investments that may have a higher potential for returns over time, but may also have more short-term volatility. Fear of the unknown. Investing can be a new experience for many people, and the idea of putting their money into something they don't understand can be scary. Procrastination. Some people may put off making investment decisions because they don't know where to start, or because they are too busy with other things. Prior negative experience. People who have had a negative experience with investing in the past may be hesitant to try again. It's important to understand that investing comes with a certain level of risk, but over the long term, it has the potential to provide significant returns. It's important to do the research, educate oneself, and consult with professionals before making any investment decisions.